Hello guys, how are you? Yes, welcome to the FinKit. Yes, it's a long time, so I came back again. In this short video, I would like to tell you the essential few Excel formulas, especially for the commerce guys. So, who are the BCom graduates, BPM graduates who looking forward to work in the commerce field, especially for the freshers. There are very few formulas. I would say three formulas. If you learn them, so definitely your life gonna easy and you definitely get a job. By using these formulas, by getting very comfortable with these formulas, you'll be getting good knowledge of data analytics, right? Here we go. What are those formulas? So let me show you what are those formulas. Yes, the first one is VLOOKUP. Many of you heard of it, right? It's a very important formula to bring the value from the bulk to the unique value, right? So many companies want it. Even it's an essential formula for all companies for all kind of work, I would say. Even I got rejected once upon a time by not knowing this VLOOKUP formula. So I will teach you guys how easily you can write this VLOOKUP formula. You can learn this VLOOKUP formula. And the second one is very important one is sum ifs. I would say sum ifs. It's not a sum if. There are two formulas. One is sum if and another one is sum ifs. You should learn a sum ifs because this will give you so many criteria, to bring the value by using many criteria. I would say 200 plus criteria you can use and bring the value for the particular criteria, right? And you have all heard, I hope, that pivot. The third one is pivot. So last but not the least, the pivot will give you an immediate solution of data summarization. So which can you know prepare the dashboard by using a bulk huge data with just single click. So that is why I would say these formulas will definitely help you to crack any data and crack any interviews. You can got some knowledge of Excel by using these three formulas. So let me explain you how easily you can learn these great formulas, right? Let me go in. Yes guys, here we go. Yep, here I gonna teach you first VLOOKUP formula, right? So let me write a VLOOKUP formula, right? So this is the formula I gonna teach you today. I gonna teach you here first. As I mentioned, three formulas are good formulas. So let me teach you this VLOOKUP. Yes, so just you can see guys, there are many, I would call them as a name and this is a score. So imagine that there are thousands of students, right? We have a score for them. So it is definitely difficult for us to, do a control F and bring the value of the particular student when we have 1,000 plus students. Yes, we can bring the value of the particular student by applying a VLOOKUP formula. So what is the, let's say the illusion is bring the value of G with a VLOOKUP, right? I want the value of G. We know guys, by looking at this, value of G is 9, but I want to bring it up here by using a VLOOKUP formula, right? So the student name is G, right? And score I want to bring here. Let me apply a VLOOKUP formula, guys. So let's watch it very carefully. Start with the equals, right? Start with writing a VLOOKUP. Once you start VL, you can get a VLOOKUP formula in the drop down list, right? So once you got that, let us write full formula VLOOKUP, right? And then put a tab. I'm saying again, put a tab. Once you put a tab, the open bracket will happen. Okay, once it opens, I would request you to read the formula suggestions. You could see guys here, after a VLOOKUP we are getting an option of VLOOKUP value. It's asking what is the value you're looking for which you are looking a value. Let's say I'm looking for the G. It's my lookup value. And the next it one saying is table array. Table array means what's your data, from where you have to bring the result. So where you have the particular data, source of data I can call it. So let me select A and 3 and drag it down, right? Put again comma. You can see now column index number, which means you have selected a data in a which column you have a particular result. It means I need a score, right? The score I have in the second column. If you look at that, I have selected these two, but I have a two column, the second column in the selected area is my result column, right? I have to select, now I have to type here as 2. So then put a close bracket and enter it. Can you see guys, you got a 9 as a result. So this is the way you can, put a VLOOKUP formula and learn it. So guys, please search for my next videos. As this video is going a longer, I would prefer to, teach you the SUMIFS and pivot table in the next videos. Please subscribe to my channel and go to my video sections, and you can look at this. You can check out for the SUMIFS and pivot table generation video. Guys, the intention of FinKit is to just to teach us, just to try to improve the knowledge of the become guys, especially like who comes from the rural side, right? I am also guy from the rural side. I took a 11 12 years to reach some level in a commerce. Now I'm working as a finance operation manager in a reputed company. I don't want to disclose the company name. Aim is to simple is to let me help as much as I can. Sorry, I couldn't able to make many videos because of my work pressure. Again, I came back and I took a oath that let me do as much as I can. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Please share, and let's move on, let's keep learning. Thank you so much.